In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable the calendar view on Trello. If you use Trello for project management, adding a calendar view can really help with visualizing your schedule and deadlines. The process is straightforward, so let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open your preferred web browser and head over to Trello.com. Once you're on the Trello homepage, look for the login option, usually located at the top right corner of the screen. Clicking on it will bring you to the login page where you have two options. You can either enter your email along with your password or opt for the more convenient route of signing in with your Google account. Both methods are secure and will quickly get you into your Trello account. Once you're logged in successfully, navigate to the boards section. This is where all your Trello boards live. Now you want to find a specific section called Your Workspaces. This feature is particularly useful if you manage multiple teams or projects, as it helps you keep everything organized in one place. From this section, identify and click on the board you wish to enable the calendar view for. Having opened the desired board, direct your attention to the top right hand side, where you'll notice a drop down menu next to the board view. Click on this drop down to reveal several view options. One of these will be a checkbox labeled Calendar. Click the Calendar checkbox to enable it and make sure to close the menu to confirm your selection. Now you'll see a new calendar option appear near the top of your screen. Click on this calendar button to switch to the calendar view. What you're seeing now is all your tasks neatly laid out on a calendar grid, allowing you to see due dates in a more easily digestible format. If at any point you want to switch back to your standard board view, you can do so by clicking on Board, which is typically found in the top navigation menu. This allows you to toggle between views smoothly, giving you flexibility depending on your immediate needs. Additionally, if you want to explore further, click on Workspace Views to bring up more options. Among these, you can select the Calendar option to zero in on a comprehensive view of scheduled tasks across different boards within the same workspace. This is particularly beneficial for those managing large projects with overlapping timelines and multiple team members. And there you have it. With these easy steps, you've successfully enabled the calendar view on Trello. This feature will give you a bird's eye view of your schedule, making it easier to keep track of important deadlines. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.